Here we are comparing the performance of three similar looking but very different green roof profiles. The model on the left shows a traditional green roof. This profile consists of 40-year-old technology that simply includes growing media over a drainage layer. In the middle is an enhanced retention green roof system. This includes engineered growing media and needled mineral wool. The mineral wool replaces some of the growing media, which helps to reduce the weight of the profile while dramatically increasing the stormwater retention capacity. On the right is a friction-detention green roof system. It includes both retention and detention layers. The system offers a calculated civil engineering benefit. It contains a drainage aperture that provides a controlled detention value. The detention mat slows water flow through friction. It allows macro pores within the green roof to fill up with water and drain out at the predetermined rate. As it starts to rain, water percolates into the green roof. Preferential flow paths form almost immediately in the growing media. In traditional green roofs like the one on the left, runoff begins rather quickly and long before capacity is reached. Within the enhanced retention system in the middle, the needled mineral wool absorbs water more efficiently than growing media. This delays the onset of drainage significantly and reduces the overall volume of stormwater runoff. In the friction-detention system on the right, the detention layer starts draining at about the same time as the enhanced retention system, but at a reduced rate. Runoff in the friction-detention profile occurs over a longer calculated period. Water temporarily backs up into pore spaces that otherwise wouldn't fill. During a design storm, the friction-detention profile reaches maximum saturation. Depending on design requirements, the profile would be sized to handle a 20-year, 50-year, and up to 100-year storm. Within 24 hours of the initial rain event, another downpour begins. This is called the second day storm. This is when the friction detention system shows its outstanding benefit. During the second day storm, runoff begins almost immediately on the traditional green roof and the enhanced retention system in the center, yet with the friction detention system, runoff is reduced. As the green roof profile fills, runoff is delayed, as it was during the first storm. This is the true stormwater benefit of friction detention. Reliable detention performance for the initial storm and for those that follow. As the rain subsides, evapotranspiration begins. The two innovative systems on the right retain more water, dry slower, and reduce reliance on irrigation. For the second day and extra large storms, the friction detention is a full-fledged stormwater tool that increases retention and detains runoff with consistency. Friction detention, the green roof systems that offer reliable detention, works every storm, every time.